So you're using octoprint? You're having problems get your camera to record, keeps giving errors. If you do this test script here, camera script failed. Found one of a couple things that usually is a problem. One of them is your camera mounts itself. See here, it's not mounted. Oh, there's a process in the background. And what I found usually is a problem is you gotta figure out which USB device is creating that issue. This LSOF with the grep of /dev/us/USB gives us these options right here, shows us what process is using that. Now I'm running this through Docker, so it's a little bit different than some of your Raspberry Pi guys, but if you do a kill TAC9 and right up here, process ID, do 2175. Oops. Numlock is now 2175. Wait a second. Go back here. We'll get rid of that slash. No, it's gone. Head back over to octoprint here. Give it another try. Look at that. We're in timeout. This one's a little slow, but there we go. Camera script success. That's all there is to it. Hope this helps you guys all out. Have a good day.